In a world where whispers of the wind carry secrets, a tree spoke to a passing cloud. "I give you shade, and you bring rain," it said. The cloud replied, "Together we nurture life below." A bird overheard and chirped, "I spread seeds, ensuring our forest thrives." Nearby, a stream gurgled, "I quench thirst and carve paths for creatures." A curious child, listening, asked, "What can I do?" The tree rustled, "Protect us, and we shall protect you." The child nodded, understanding the symphony of life. Remember, every action counts. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.